Finally, Megan, what's next for you now at the for the remainder of this season?
Spencer, I tell you, I have to go lengthen my thing because me not finished yet. I have a song for now. You ready? Mm-hmm. All right.
Welcome to Rate JA, where we rate everything that embodies Jamaica. Today, we'll be counting down the top 5 most epic Jamaican Olympic moments for Tokyo 2020. As the Olympics is now over, we can say Jamaica has experienced both good and not so good moments. The not so good moments I've already counted down, and you can check the top right of the screen to see it, if you enjoy bad news first. Again, I must applaud all our athletes for their tremendous display of talent and all their hard work and sacrifices. It is always a great pride and joy to see our athletes not only compete, but win and fly our Jamaican flag high. And so, let's get straight into the countdown of these awesome moments that had our hearts leaping for joy and hope I'd cover them and knock till thy kingdom come. Help me big up the athletes by liking this video and subscribing. Bless up! Number 5. The Golden Girls Relay Team. After tremendous performances by our women in the 100 meter and the 200 meter finals, it was time to blaze up the track for the 4x1. We the Jamaicans knew that this event was ours for the taking, only under one condition: as long as the button go around safe. Me say when the race start and them take off on their first time of asking and Brianna shot out of the blocks like the roadrunner. And then Brianna passed to Elaine, a bit shaky, yes. Then I just bare flames me sip on Elaine foot to the way she burn up the track. Then Elaine passed to Shelly, and Shelly take the rocket out of her pocket and put them on her foot and blast off. Then Shelly passed to Sherika, who was on the last leg, and Sherika foot them turned so fast that I just whole heap of lightning me a see. And it was gold for our Jamaican girls. And they won with a new national record. And ask if we're not proud now? The chemistry among these girls was just awesome. We're so proud that Miss Puff never yet swell up like our hearts did. Big up to the girls them. Number 4. Ela Thompson Era. After winning the 100 meter in fine and record-breaking style, Ela now had to dust out the field of the 200 meter. And of course, there were different names of who would be difficult to beat, such as Miller, who won gold. You could have called it Elaine crossed the finish line in a dark shades like Ray Charles, cause when she look around she never see nobody. Who them did say are the tough contenders again? With her win of the 200 meter in 21.53 seconds, she became the only woman to consecutively defend both the 100 meter and the 200 meter title in the Olympics. Nobody can tell me say this is an Ela Thompson era, pun intended. She is nothing short of magnificent, remember me tell you. She has been the star of this Tokyo Olympics for Jamaica, and she has not only made her grandmother heart overflow with joy, but the hearts of the whole Jamaican people as well. Number 3. Megan Tapper's moment for life. Now, I wasn't too aware of Megan Tapper before this Olympics, but now I am a full-blown fan. Her personality and celebration alone was so infectious that you couldn't tell me say I never goal she win. Me wholeheartedly believe say a goal she win and I never know brands. I'm sure say the whole Jamaica feel the same way too. She placed 3rd in the women's 100 meter hurdles event to not only win bronze, but also be the first Jamaican woman to medal in the event. I remember watching the race and just seeing how she did that just fly over every hurdle. I'ma say, yes girl, come up girl, run left them. And after she crossed the line, we had to wait and see if she came 3rd because it was so close. And her celebration was just so heartfelt. Say honestly, me feel like I did get the bronze. If you weren't sold on her after her phenomenal performance on the track, then I'm pretty sure after Megan Tapper, or should I say Megan Rapper, post-race interview, you joined the bandwagon. Number 2. 1, 2, 3, 100 meter sweep. Can I get a 1? 1. Can I get a 2? 2. Can I get a 3? 3. What does that spell? Jamaica! Now we as Jamaicans already don't know that it was a must to get 1, 2, 3. Gold, silver and bronze, all of it to your pocket. And there were talks about other athletes who would present a challenge to our dominance. But we never watch a bag of long talking, you see it? We just know that all the girls had to do was just go out there and execute, and boom, that's what they did. Elaine came first, Shelly on second, and Sharika came third. And at the end of the day, Jamaica was on top. And trust me, there's nothing like seeing the 3 Jamaican flags all at once on those poles and hearing our national anthem ringing through the stadium. And to top it off by adding cherry on her treat, Elaine broke Flo Jo's 33-year-old Olympic record by running a whopping 10.61 seconds, making her now the fastest woman alive. And you could see the joy in her celebration as this win was well deserved. A big congrats to Elaine, Shelly and Sharika. Before we reveal our top pick, here are a few honourable mentions. Number 1. Parchment and Levy turned the tables. Now the Jamaican men went into the Olympics as the underdogs, but everybody loves an underdog story. So this underestimation going into the 110-meter hurdles event, coupled with everyone predicting Grant Holloway from the US to win, makes this win so sweet. Them never know say the hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory. When I saw Ronald Levy in his heats, I said, yeah man, Levy a shell it. And when I saw Hans run in his heats, he was sneaking like just behind Holloway like him have something up his sleeve. So the final race started and Grant Holloway literally fly out of the blocks past everybody. Then me see Pachi and Levy come up and I say, yeah man, beat them bad. Then me see Hans draw for the surprise from under him sleeve. And when me see him beat Holloway, me say bop. Oh you mean, Jamaica will say, how would them feel like? And then I thought that Levy came second, but it was actually third. But me call it second still. I 1 and 2 come. And Gladbag's island-wide bust up to the way we feel proud. Words can't even express with joy, nor could words express the Americans' disappointment. And I feel so proud for Hansel because it was honestly just his time and nobody could take that away from him. Big up Levy and big up Pachi for making this Olympics one Jamaicans will never ever forget. We've come to an end. Do you agree with our list? What was your most epic Tokyo Olympic moment? Let us know in the comments. Please remember to like, share, and to subscribe. Thanks for watching.